To deposit a check at an ATM, start by locating one that is affiliated with your bank, as using your bank's ATM will help you avoid fees and delays, allowing you to access your money as soon as possible. If your bank doesn't have an ATM nearby, you can use other options, such as the All Point network, which has over 50,000 ATMs and allows customers to deposit cash or checks at some of its locations. Before making a deposit, ensure the ATM accepts your type of bank card and has a deposit slot, as some smaller ATMs in convenience stores only dispense cash. When you're ready, gather the necessary items, including your bank debit card and PIN, and take your time to avoid making mistakes. Begin by unlocking your debit card using your mobile phone. Then tap your card on the contactless sign on the ATM, or insert it if necessary, with the NFC chip facing forward. Most ATMs work in a similar way, so type your PIN and select the deposit button, followed by the account where you want to make the deposit. When the ATM opens, insert the check, and if the ATM can read checks, you won't need to enter the amount. Otherwise, type in the amount and confirm the dollar amount on the screen. If you have multiple checks or bills to deposit, some ATMs allow you to insert them all at once, while others may require you to place your deposits in a bank envelope. Once you've completed the deposit, take your receipt and ensure you have your bank card before leaving the ATM. And don't forget to lock your debit card using your bank's mobile app.